In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Telegram on desktop in just a few seconds. This is a super quick process, but it's important because updating Telegram helps you get the latest features, performance improvements, and security fixes. If you use Telegram regularly on your computer, keeping it updated is always a smart idea. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once the app opens, take a look at the bottom left side of the window. If an update is available, you'll see a green button that says Update Telegram. This is Telegram's built-in update option, and it makes the process very easy. Now, all you need to do is click that green Update Telegram button. After you click it, Telegram will begin downloading and installing the update automatically. You do not need to search for anything else or manually reinstall the app. Just give it a moment to finish the update process. Once the update is complete, Telegram will restart by itself. When it opens back up, you'll be running the latest version of Telegram desktop. That's all there is to it. No complicated steps, no extra tools, and no need to go through a separate setup. Process. If you don't see the green update button, that usually means your Telegram desktop app is already up to date. So if you were looking for the easiest way to update Telegram on desktop, now you know exactly what to do. If this video helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.